everyone, really excited to show you how to add and manage team members today. To start off, you're going to go to the team page by clicking team in the left-hand nav bar, and you're going to see this page open up here. To invite a new member, we're going to go to the invite member button. We're going to add their email. So let's say I wanted to invite Allison. And we can go to permissions. So I'm going to decide what permissions I want Allison to have. So I want her to manage episodes, view my show analytics, manage tracking links, but maybe I don't want her to be able to access distribution or manage team members or access billing, but website and transcriptions are okay. I will then go to invite member, and an invitation will be sent to her email. She will accept the invite, and then she will be added to our team list here. If I wanted to edit permissions, let's say I wanted to edit Eric's permissions here, I could go to the pencil icon, and I can see that he has all of the permissions. Let's say I didn't want him to be able to access my billing anymore, or perhaps publish transcripts. Then I click Update Permissions, and he will no longer have access to those features. If I wanted to remove a team member, I could just click the little trash can icon here and click delete. I could also do that for pending invitations if, let's say, I made a typo in the email and I need to resend it. And if the person is not getting the email or accidentally deleted it or it went to spam, I can also click the resend button here. And that is everything you need to know about team permissions. Let us know if you have any questions.